Hey there! Looking to start a side hustle or small business with a relatively low investment? In this video, we'll show you 15 powerful machines you can buy online for under $2,000 that can help you start making money from home. Each one does something totally different. So no matter your interest or skill set, there's something here for you. All purchase links are down in the description, so make sure to check those out after the video. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the CNC Router Machine. This powerhouse can cut, carve, and engrave wood, plastic, and even aluminum with high precision. Perfect for making custom signs, furniture, or even intricate decor. You can start a small woodworking business or sell your designs on Etsy or eBay. Next is a laser engraving machine. These are great for customizing cutting boards, tumblers, jewelry, and more. You can create personalized gifts or branding items for small businesses, a popular choice among crafters and side hustlers. Want to bring digital designs to life? A 3D printer is your go-to. From custom keychains to phone holders, tools, and prototypes, there's a ton of demand. Print your own designs or take orders online. It's like a mini factory at home. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. A coffee roasting machine lets you create your own specialty blends. You can sell roasted beans online, at local markets, or supply to cafes. Coffee is a billion-dollar industry. Get your slice. A vending machine is one of the few machines that can make you passive income. Place one in a school, office, or gym and earn money while you sleep. Snacks, drinks, or even novelty items. This is a low-maintenance hustle once set up. Start your own custom apparel line with a heat press machine. Create t-shirts, hats, tote bags, and more with your own designs. Perfect for print-on-demand businesses or local event merch. Speaking of custom clothing, an embroidery machine lets you stitch logos and designs into hats, polos, jackets, you name it. Great for sports teams, schools, or branding for small businesses. Want to print high-res graphics on apparel? A direct-to-garment printer like the Epson SureColor F170 gives you crisp, colorful prints right onto fabric. Think band merch, streetwear drops, or themed collections. Turn fruits, veggies, or meats into delicious snacks with a food dehydrator. Sell dried fruits, trail mixes, or beef jerky. Perfect for health-conscious consumers and snack lovers. A vinyl cutter helps you make custom decals, signs, labels, and wall art. It's a crafter's dream and super easy to learn. You can create personalized stickers for laptops, water bottles, or car windows. Start a mobile detailing service with a steam cleaner or car wash kit. People love convenience. Bring the car wash to them and clean both interiors and exteriors with ease. Create bold designs on shirts, posters, and bags with a screen printing kit. It's perfect for bulk orders and has a timeless, handmade feel that customers love. A candle making kit is a great entry point into handmade products. Experiment with scents, shapes, and branding. You can sell them online, at local markets, or even start a subscription box. A digital cutting machine, like the Silhouette Cameo, is perfect for paper crafts, stickers, iron-on vinyl, and more. Great for selling wedding invitations, planner stickers, or holiday decorations. Last but not least, a cash counting machine. Not exactly a business on its own, but if you handle lots of cash at events, markets, or stores, it'll save you time and reduce errors. Efficiency is money too. There you have it. 15 machines under $2,000 that can help you start or grow a money-making venture. Whether you're into crafting, tech, food, fashion, or services, there's a tool here to launch your next hustle. All purchase links are in the description below. Go check them out and see which one fits your passion or goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business ideas, and drop a comment telling us which machine caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and go make something awesome.